data released in the year 2024. And of course, people are waiting the data, and that's why you've seen the impact as well on the strength of the dollar, as market is staying somehow muted a bit today. People expecting the markets to especially dollar to become firmer, right? To become firmer. So 1 minute, please. All right, so let me just switch my chart, and then let's look at what is happening, and so far how has it been? Okay, great one. Right. All right, all right, all right. Okay. So I want to switch my chart now. Okay. Okay, I believe we cannot see my screen, right? So like I did say yesterday, there was no high impact news at all yesterday. Market only traded uh more technically, yesterday. However, today, like I said, there will be some high impact news for by 3 p.m. By 3 p.m., which it has come out. That is the S&P composite. Is a medium impact news, but the major one will be the 4 p.m. news at 4 p.m. Right, and then tomorrow we'll be having a couple of high impact news from different zones, from the Australian region, Europe. We also have from the Canadian region, as well as the USD region. All right, it's going to be a very beautiful one, a beautiful time to make good money in the market tomorrow, and starting from today. That's going to be the reality. Okay, and then on Thursday we would have news from the GBP zones and the USD zones as well. That's why I said to you that this week should not be a time that you should be out of the market. Okay, it's a time that if you don't have enough money in your account, ensure you fund the account, top it up. You will sure make good money this week. Is there anybody here on this live session that you've lost money? This is the week for you to recover the money, right? This is the week for you to recover the money. It's going to be something that you will be happy joining. Okay. Then on Friday we will have our first. On Friday, we have our first Friday NFP for the month of February, okay, where we see the average hourly earnings measured, we see the non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate as well. And then by 4 p.m. On Friday as well, we'll see our revised consumer sentiment as well. Now, like I said, all these are good indicators that the market is a bright one this very week. Okay. All right. So I am going to start today. Actually, I'm going to start the market, analyzing the indices market today. I did mention yesterday that what we'll be having a couple of high impact news. Sorry, we're having some data released from the big stock that is talking about stocks like Google, Alphabet, and most of those guys. They will be releasing their data for the fourth quarter last year, and then some of them have been having it good. Okay, so let me share my screen, and then let's look into the chart and take good entries for ourselves. in the market. All right. So I'm on the US index. I'm on the US index. If you look at how it has been so far, if I'm on 1 hour time frame here before I go on my 15 minutes time frame to take our entry for ourselves. Now, if you look at it, based on what you are seeing, you realize that the market has been trading somewhat in a kind of careful pattern today. It has been trading in between this week support and then this week resistance all through today. And I would also keep saying it. Let me say it again and again to people. There is power in repetition. There is power in repetition. When you understand that market obeys structure, when you do not have any high impact news, you will have made money well today. Look at how the market traded, right? From this week support today, trading up all the way to the week resistance, and in obeying the structure, it hits the weak resistance and then it goes back to test this weak support again. Now you can see that it has gone from this weak support to test this weak resistance again. And this is what it has been doing. For those who have understood the psychology of the market, is a way for you to have taken advantage of these instruments today. As it goes up, you catch it up with a buy limit around this region, with a sell limit around this region. That would have been a good way for you to make your good money in the market, and then you would only join this afternoon session just to do Jara on top, okay? But it's no problem. For those of us who have not taken any trade today and who have not made any money today, there will be your own main money, and then you also have some Jara on top as well. Okay, so I'm going to go on 15 minutes time frame now. So, and I said I wanted to start with indices market. I'm going to go on indices market first before I go to any currency or commodity this afternoon. Remember, and I'm going to also try to stay till that 4 p.m. where we would have that high impact news, and let's see how we can take advantage of the market to making good money for ourselves. And let me also say something to you today. Please, when we have fundamentals like this, it's an opportunity for you to use good volume, right? It's an opportunity for you to use good volume to make good money, trading just few pips, right? But when you see market now trading beyond the zone that you've taken your profit, you can then, especially when you see some candlestick patterns, like when you see a Marubozu candlestick forming, showing that this instrument, this price is still going to trade in the direction that it has gone, is a good way for you to just go in and then make more money for yourselves. Okay, but I should also add this to it. Like I would always say, one needs to also trade responsibly. Okay, once you are satisfied with the profits you've made, then it's a good way for you to go in. Okay, all right. So the fundamental will definitely affect gold. Okay, since gold captures the health of the dollar, so it will definitely affect it. All right. So let's quickly go to. I will start with US 100 this afternoon. I'm going to start with US 100 this afternoon. Okay. So I can't remember who was asking me yesterday for US 100. I said, wait. Okay, it is now this time around. Okay, on US 100. I'm going to start with US 100 and let's look at how we take entry for ourselves before we start looking at any other kind of instruments today. Okay, on our US 100 today, I'm going to give you a pending order actually. I'm going to ask you to go in for ace buy on US 100. Should price trade above 17673.20. 17673.20. I'm going to ask you to go in for a buy. Should price trade above 17673.20. Remember, you are doing a buy stop here, okay? And then I'm going to ask you to go for your take profit. I'm going to ask you to go for your take profit. Let me see how many pips is this? No, it must be. Let me give you more. Okay. All right. So go in for your buy at price 17673.20 and take your profit at price 17684.17. 17684.17. Okay, that's for our buy trade. Now for our sell trade, on US 100. For our sell trade on US 100. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to go. Okay, now let me say this thing to us for those asking for stop loss. All right, Okay, if I'm moved by the spirit, I'm going to give you stop loss. If I'm not moved, I'm not going to give you any stop loss. But that's not a joke. But I should say this to us. We've always said it over and over. And when you go, if any of you if you ever attended our session, that the reason we do not normally give stop loss is because people have different trading goal. But then we've always said it. This is on a 5 minute time frame, and then it is assumed that you are not staying so long in the market. So meaning that make your stop loss just half the size of your TP. That is, you should not stay long in the market. So if you are taking 10 pips for your take profit, just do 5 pips for your stop loss. Do you understand now? All right. Hope that is clear. No, I do not mean on the long position or short. When I say long, this time contextually, I'm saying that you are not staying for a long time, in the market. Okay, not staying long as a buy trade, not going short as a short trade. You get it now? Okay, all right. So for your sell trade on US 100, so I'm going to ask you to go in if price trade below price level 176. Let me adjust the bit so that I will not trigger before time. Okay. Go in if price trade below price 176.42. 176.42.28. One for a sell trade, 176.42.78. 176.42.78. Okay. And you might look at taking your profit at price level 176.24.99. 176.24.99. 176.24.99 for your take profit. Okay. Hope we got that. Hope we got that. Then for US 30, I'll simply let me go on 5 minutes as well. Okay. So on our US 30 this afternoon, oh, okay. So I wanted to be sure what I'm saying if my chart is. I don't want what happened yesterday to happen as well today. So if it does not do, so I'm going to ask. I'm going to beg a pardon to just do something if it's not what I'm saying. Okay, I think it's okay. It's up to date. It's up to date. All right. So for US 30, so for US 30, I'm going to ask you to go in for your buy trade. If price trade is above price level 38420, go in. If price trade is above price level 38420, go in for your buy at 38420 and look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit around price level 384. Can take it up all the way here. Okay. So take your profit at price level 38441. 38441. 38441. Go in for your buy at 38420 and take your profit at price level 38441. Okay. So for your sell trade on US 30, I'm going to ask you to go. I know I'm on 5 minutes time frame, so I'm going to take this. So go in for your sell at price 38376. 38376, and look at taking your profit. At 38351. 38351. 38351. Okay, hope that is clear as well. And then, so let's go to US 500. US 500. So on our US 500 today, on our 5 minutes time frame as well. So I'm going to ask you to, because I quickly want to switch to the indices, I mean, currency pairs as well. I can say that somebody has started asking, all right? So I'm going to ask you to go in for your buy trade on US 500. If price trades above 4946.3, 4946.3, 4946.3, go in for your buy at price 4946.3 and take your profit at price 4950.1, 4950.1, 4950.1. Okay. Then for your sell trade on US 500, I want to go in if price trade below price 4937.8. 4937.8. Look at taking your profit at price level 4933.5. 4933.5. 4933.5 for your US 500. I believe that is good as well. Okay. And then I'll go to US 2000. Go to US 2000. And I know people are always afraid of taking US 2000, but it's one of the instruments that can really make you smile very well, especially during this live session. Okay. Just that if you don't have sufficient capital, like enough capital, don't engage it. Okay. So on US 500, US 2000, I'm going to ask you to go in for your buy at price 2015.2. 2015.2. Going for your buy at price 2015.2. And you can look at taking your profit at price. Let me see. Let me take it upward. Okay, at price, this is like 30 pips, about 30 pips. Take your profit at around price 2018.5. 2018.5. 2018.5. Okay, 2018.5. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay. For your sell position on US 2000, sell position on US 2000, go in at price 2008.0, 2008.0, and then look at taking your profits. Look at taking your profits around price level 2004.1. 2004.1. 2004.1. Okay. 2004.1. I said for US 100, for US 100, this US 100, I don't want it to trigger, all right? So I'm going to, let me readjust this sell for US 100. Let me readjust it to avoid any story, okay? So for this US 100, go in if price trades below 17632.85, 17632.85, 17632.85 for that US 100 sell, and take your profit at price level 17611.89, 17611.89. For your buy position on US 100, I'm going to adjust the entry as well, the TPs, okay? You can go in if price trades are above, okay, good, 17670.57, 17670.57 for the buy trade on US 100, 17670.57 for the buy trade, 17670.57. Good one. Okay, so quickly let me go to D40 and then I'll switch to gold and the rest. Okay, I'm going to do D40. Okay, and that D40, I'm going to use I'm going to use D30 for it. Okay. Yeah. So for this indices, everything is on 5 minutes time frame. For indices market, everything is on 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So I must have called this US 100 that many times now. So we can't wait, stay on it. Okay. We can't stay on it, Mr. Iyari. We can't stay on it. I've called it over and over. All right. So for your D30 D40 trade, okay, I'm on 5 minutes. So I'm going to ask you to go in for your buy. If price trade above this region you are seeing here, above price level 17086.1, 17086.1, go in for your buy at 17086.1, go in for your buy at 17086.1, and look at taking your profits, around price level, okay, around price level 17104.8, 17104.8. 1710.4.8. Okay, 1710.4.8. For your sell trade on the 30-day 40, okay, go in if price trade below 170.56.2, 170.56.2, 170.56.2, and look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit at price level 17036.9, 17036.9. Okay, all right. Then I'll just take gold now. I'll just take gold, and then we switch to interestingly, gold has been surging high. Look at gold on 1 hour time frame. Let me see it on 15-minute time frame. If it is safe for you to join in the, oh my, this is beautiful. Gold is still going to push up to this weak resistance. Okay, so if you are not risk averse, you might want to go in for an instant buy on gold that you are seeing here. Only that once it hits this weak resistance, it will start doing a retracement. All right. So let me just say to us now, okay, you might want to allow price. Let me say you may still want to stay your hand on gold now. Allow it to reach this weak resistance, and we can trace the reversal. But if you are in the buy already, no wala, it's still going to buy up to this weak resistance before it starts pushing down on gold. So I'm going to ask you to please, if you have not entered the buy, okay, you might just want it to ease this weak resistance and then start reversing before you follow it with a sell. But if you're on the buy already, it's still going to buy up to this weak resistance. Okay, that is for gold. For gold, okay. Okay, so that is for gold. That's for gold. But for those who are waiting for any pending order on gold, if you are waiting for any pending order on gold, I'm going to ask you for pending order now. But like I said, gold will hit this weak resistance. I'm expecting it to do a retracement backward. Okay, all right. Okay, hope we got that. Because okay, hope we got that. Okay, we will still go back. All those that have triggered, we'll go back to them once the market has opened. So there's no need for panic. All right. Okay, so let's go to US index. I began on US index the other time. So let me quickly go back there, and then let's see what we can take. Okay. And I was going to say something when we started earlier with US index. I said you could see now US index is selling it as is this support. You get this support that I explained. Now, gold, I did mention on gold. I said gold will hit this weak resistance, and then it's going to do a retracement backward. Okay, but if I on a buy, gold will still buy up all the way to this weak resistance before going back. But if anybody wants to wait for any buy stop, you might just want to just go in above this weak resistance as 2051.15. That 2051.15. That's when you might want to go in for 2051.15 for your gold buy. You understand me? But I'm seeing it retrace at this weak resistance once it hits it. How do I know that? If you look at what is happening to the dollar right now, look at dollar on 1 hour time frame. Dollar is resting on the weak support. It has not been able to break below it, meaning that it's just going to push up like it has been respecting it here. No, I did mention the other time that it has been trading in between these zones, the weak support and the weak and the weak resistance. Okay, all right. So I'm going to go on 15 minutes time frame, and let's look for a convenient position on gold, on US index gather, and then let's make money for ourselves. Okay. All right. So quickly. So quickly on US index now. On US index, I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell. Okay, for a sell if it's conveniently breaks below this verified support. Although I expect it to do a pushback up, since I'm expecting a reversal on the other instrument. So, but going for a sell on gold, if price trade below, on US index, I meant to say. Okay, on US index, I meant to say. So go in at 103.088. 103.088. 103.088. going for your sell at 103.088, okay, for your US index, and just follow the sell up all the way down, all the way to 102.947, 102.947. In the minutes time, market is going to start running. So I'm going to either tell us if it is for you to start buying or it's for you to start selling immediately. But then for now, it's still going to be a pending order I'm going to give you. But then for a buy trade, but then for a buy trade on your US index, go in for a buy at 103.357. 103.357. Going for your buy on US index at 103.357. And then let's look at taking our profits around price region 103.469. 103.469. Now it is 3:30. So let's look at what is happening. What is happening on Euro USD. On Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, you might want to go in. You might want to go in for a buy on Euro USD. Now look at what is happening now. Look at what is happening now. Now where prices is on Euro USD. Once price breaks above this resistance level you are seeing here, I'm going to ask you to just please go in for an instant buy on Euro USD. Follow it up all the way. Follow it up all the way with good volume, and then you make your good money. Okay, that is for Euro USD. You can go in for your instant buy on Euro USD. Go in for an instant buy on Euro USD. Follow it up all the way and use good volume and take your profit once you make good money. All right, that is for Euro USD. All right. So for USD JPY, now because dollar is somewhat weak this moment, so you can see that even dollar has been trading bearish against Japanese yen. So the sign is giving is a sell trade now on USD JPY. However, not throwing away the consciousness of our support and resistance, but you can go for an instant sell on USD JPY. But please take note of these layers of support zones that we have here. Going for an instant sell, but be wary of the support. Be mindful, I meant to say, of the support zones we have here. So I'm going to ask you, because it's 15 minutes time frame and it's still going to push lower. If price trades below and trades down to price level 147.093, you can take your profit. You understand? So we've done US 100. We're asking for US 100. We've done those ones. Okay. All right. So that is for that. But in case you are looking for a pending order on USD JPY, you might just want to wait for price to conveniently just trade above 147.303. 147.303. You may want to wait for a buy at 147.303 and then take your entry at 147.303. Then if you're on a sell trade on USDJPY already, just hold this. Price is still going to be pushed down. Price will be pushed down. All right. If you are there, price will be pushed down on it. I believe that is good as well. Okay. So US 100 is buying already. US 100 is buying already. You understand? It's trading towards profit already on US 100. Okay. It's trading towards profit already on US 100, and it's almost at TP. And like I will always say, you don't need to take your profit before you take your profits. It's almost at TP on US 100, but you don't always need to wait for TP before you take your profit on US 100. Okay. Now I was talking about USDJPY. I said we are on a sell trade. Just allow it. Can you see that it is selling now? Just allow it to go. So just allow it to go and then follow it down. But you might look at taking your profit on USDJPY for that your sell trade. Look at taking your profit because it's going to break below that 0.0 retracement level you are seeing. Take your profit around 147.109. 147.109. But in case you engage it with a good volume, it's a good way for you to make good money. Once it has traded and run in profit, close your trade. But if you are waiting for a buy stop, just go in at 147.303. 147.303. Okay. GBP USD. All right. Now for GBP USD now, you can see that it has begun to give you a buy signal. All right. Where it is now, it has begun to give you a buy signal from where it is now because dollar is momentarily weak. Where we are now. So you can see that it is now on 30 minutes. Now on 30 minutes, it is already giving you a three white soldier. showing that price is trading upward, going upward. So on 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to go and I'm going to ask you, okay, so on 15 minutes time frame now, I'm going to ask you if you are where prices is a 61.8 fib level, which is the major retracement level, but then you might want to wait and allow price to break above price level, above 1.26937, 1.26937, 1.26937, 1.26937, 1.26937. Go in for your buy on GBP USD 1.26937. Go in for your buy at 1.26937. Take it up all the way to 1.27055. 1.27055. 1.27055. All right. Remember, there will be a impact news at 4, and it's still going to move the market. Okay. But then for you waiting for a sell trade on GBP USD, just go in for your sell if price trade below 1.26780, 1.26780, 1.26780, and then just follow it down up to that 100% retracement level, which has formed a support level where you are 1.26780, and you might look at taking your profit at 1.26641. 1.26641. Let me take it again. Take your buy at 1.26937 and then take your TP at 1.27055. For your sell, go in at 1.26780 and take your profit at 1.26641. 641. Now it's looking at selling now. But just stay on course and make your good money in the market on GBP USD. GBP USD. Okay. USD card. See how US dollar has been trading bearish against USD card. This is on 1 hour time frame. Let me go on 15 minute time frame and then now on 15 minutes time frame now this instrument is still going to trade bearish more on 15 minutes time frame. It's still going to go. Remember, 23.6 fib level is a minor retracement level. Okay, so price can easily break below it and continue. So if you are not risk averse, I'm going to ask you to go in. If you are not risk averse now, okay, I'm going to ask you to go in for an instant sell on USD card. However, if you want to be careful, you might just want to allow it a bit to just break below 1.340, 1.34085, 1.34085, 1.34085. Hope that is clear. 1.34085, 1.34085, and then just allow it to go up all the way, go down all the way, because there's still going to be a high impact at 4 o'clock. That will be in about that will be in about 20 less than 20 minutes time now, or about 23 minutes time. Okay, then we see what's going to happen there. Okay, let me take all the instruments we've not touched before we go back on the ones that we've touched. Okay, all right. So on US, and look at taking your profit around 1.33956, 1.33956. Then for your buy trade on USD card, just go in if price is above 1.34324, 1.34324, 1.34324. Go in for a buy on USD card, and then look at taking your profit. Yes, a bit above that 1.8 fib level. This is in preparation for the news coming out. Take your profit at 1.34430. 1.34430. All right. Now for those on all right. So on let me go back to some of our instruments. Okay. So this is gold. I did mention that gold was going to hit this weak resistance region and then it is going to start pushing down. All right. So, and it is as expected, it has got to that region, though it didn't tell you. Remember, we will always tell you this is a region, not a line. Now, it got to this weak resistance region, all right, and it started to push down. I told you it's going to start pushing down. So, for those who wouldn't enter an instant buy, wouldn't take advantage of it, so you might want to be just wait for it to sell further. Meanwhile, a news is coming out at 4 o'clock. So if you have not entered for gold, you can go in for a buy at 2051.15, 2051.15, setting an entry at 2051.15, and look at taking your profit around price level 2054.94, 2054.94. Okay. So for yourself, if you're on a sell trade, price is still going to be pushed down before that 4 o'clock news. All right. That sell trade, on the sell trade, price will be pushed down before it starts going up again. All right. So, but if you are waiting for a pending order for your sell trade on gold, you might just want to, I told you it's selling already, okay? But just wait for it. If you're not on sale already, just wait for it to break below 2043.93, 2043.93, 2043.93. Let it break below it and use a sell stop there at 2043.93. If you are not already on sale already, okay? So, and then look at taking your profits at price 2040.78, 2040.78, 2040.78. Okay. That is for that. All right. So, somebody was mentioning US 2000. Let me see US 100 first. Okay. Now, US 100 is still running in profit. It's still running in profit. Okay. And like I did mention, now it almost got to TP here. It almost hits the profit before reversing. If you didn't close your trade, you still have opportunity to still make the money. So it's still running in profit, and it's still going to hit the TP as well. But I've said it over and over. Don't always wait for TP. You understand? But this one will hit the TP. All right, it will hit the TP and then give you good money. Okay. And I should also say as well, for those of you also waiting for the 4 o'clock trade, for the 4 o'clock trade, you might also want to use another. Can we sell US 100 after the buy TP? Yes, you may, but you might just want to be careful because the news is coming out, okay, and the news is still going to affect it. You understand now? So I'm still going to ask you to still watch out. You understand me? So what I'm going to do in preparation for the news, if you miss US 100, okay, I believe Mr. If you miss US 100, I've called for Autobang. I have mentioned gold over and over again. Okay, so let us touch the ones that we've not touched, right? Okay, all right. So if you might want to position yourself again for a sell trade on US 100, how would you do that? Those of you on sell trade on Euro US this morning, okay, when did you enter? How did you enter it? I wouldn't know your entry position, all right? But you know, dollar is momentarily weak, okay? All right, so that's why other instruments have been trading stronger against it, okay? All right, so okay, so US 2000. Somebody was mentioning US 2000. What is happening to US 30? US 30 buyers taking profits. That one has no issue. Buyers taking profit. Okay, US 500 buyers taking profit as well. Nobody is mentioning that they've made money here. Everybody just talking about the issue. Okay, US 2000 went in sale. It went for sale, right? It went in profit before reversing. Well, it's still going to go back. It's still going to go back. Go back. In that sell reject. So US 2000 rather is still going to go back in that sell direction, all right? Still going to go back in that sell direction. Okay, 10K is more, but it is something. Okay, but it is something. All right, Mr. Baltute, you would need to be patient. You will need to be patient because this trade entered since morning. Okay, so you will need to be patient. Okay, so for Euro USD JPY, somebody was mentioning USD JPY the other time. Okay. Now USD JPY, I did mention that it was going to sell. Okay, and it will still sell. It will still sell. Look at dollar is weak momentarily. Look at what is happening to the dollar. All right. US, look at what is happening to the dollar. Dollar is weak. The moment the market opens, dollar opened weak. You understand? It opened weak. The moment the US market opened, dollar opened weak. And it's still going to sell. You understand? It's still going to sell. And if it is selling, all right, can you see it's going to sell? And if it is selling, USJPY will still sell as well. Do you understand? Just follow it and make your money for yourself. You just relax. You understand? Market requires patience. Otherwise, you will close a trade that should give you profit. You will close it in negative. Do we get it now? All right. Okay. So, US. Okay, I've touched on US 2000. Okay. US. I've touched on US 500. That one has no issue. 30 has no issue. You're taking profit. Okay. So USD, US 100. Okay. You should not be on negative on US 100. Who is saying is on negative on US 100? US 100 is still in profit. US 100 is still in profit. You should not be on negative on US 100. All right. Perhaps you are telling me that you are losing some of the profits you've made. You should not be on negative on US 100. It's still running in profit. Okay. Still running in profit. But like I said, don't allow it to close you out in negative. Once you've made good money for me, just close it. Okay. All right. So for gold, I told you gold will still sell before the news comes out in 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Your buy on US 100 is in negative. Okay. What's your entry point? Then Mr. Finebone. Okay, you should be the one to please listen out for the entries. You understand? I can't be calling and be typing it for you as well. Do you understand? So you should also listen out for it. So for USD card, your buy trade is on negative. I didn't ask you to buy immediately on USD card. I didn't because I remember I mentioned that US dollar is weak, and if anything at all, it is for you to sell. You understand? If it's anything at all, it is for you to sell. And I gave you a pending order. I gave you a pending order on USD card. I said going for a sell at 1.34085. 1.34085 and take your profit at 1.33956. 1.33956. I gave you a pending order for a buy at 1.34324. 1.34324 and take your profit at 1.34430. Oh, somebody said I'm too fast. Yeah, I'm trying to satisfy all of you. Or do you want me to disregard our messages? Okay. So if there's anything at all, it's for USD cards to sell. So I don't know how you entered a buy. Very, very fast. Maybe I should go and register at AFCON and then, oh, Mr. Ransom, you are new. Very sorry about that. Very sorry about that. Very sorry about that. Okay. Okay, very, very sorry about that. All right. All right. Okay. So if there's anything at all, it's for you to sell and it's heading towards the sell. You closed on loss for GBUSD. Why? How? Why? Okay. Then so why we wait for the news to come out. Let me just run through again. USDJPY is running in sell already. It's running in sell already. You know, I did mention that it was going to sell. It's running in sell already. Okay. Euro USD is buying. Euro USD is buying. But then because in 12 minutes time news is going to come out as well, let me look at giving us an entry. Let me look at giving us an entry on Euro USD. Okay. Let me look at giving us an entry on Euro USD because of the news coming. Okay. So should the news not come out good for the dollar, so we'll look at Euro USD pushing upward further. So that's going to be that you're going to enter. You may want to set a pending. So let me take it slowly now. Okay. All right. So Mr. Abiola, I don't know. Can you just write out the point where you came in? Okay. So you can go in for a buy on Euro USD at 1.08584. 1.08584 for the news coming out. 1.08584 for the news coming out. 1.08584, and you can just look at taking your profit because it is news. All right. Can you look at taking your profit? How many pips would that be? That's like 11. Oh, let me try and increase it. Okay. So you might look at taking your profit around 1.08758. 1.08758. Remember, don't wait for TP. If you use good volume, market will run short distance and give you good money. All right. Okay. It might run short distance and give you good volume. So you said you enter at 1.0. Let me see where you enter, and then we'll discuss it later. But not be okay, 1.08132. 1.08132. Okay. For your buy. Is that a buy or a sell? Is that a buy or a sell? It's a sell. Okay. So we'll discuss later. I can see the entry here. We'll discuss later. Let's just see the outcome of the news. Okay. All right. And then for a sell trade on Euro USD, should the news come out positive for the dollar, okay, you might just want to prepare for a sell. Prepare for a sell at. Let me push this one up, because it's going to trigger it. Let me push it up. I'm pushing up the buy trade I just gave. You understand? I want to push it up to, because it's still buying, to 1.08631, 1.08631, and then I'm going to push the TP. I'm going to push the TP to 1.08787. 1.08787. 1.08787. Okay, so for a sell, go at 1.08444. 1.08444. And then you might just want to take your profit at price level 1.08343. 1.08343. Since the news is going to come out. Okay, let me see gold. Okay, I told you this gold will retrace and it's doing that, but the entries here are still valid even for the news. The entries here are still valid. I said you might want to go in for a buy at 2051.15, 2051.15, and take your profit at 2054.94 for gold. 2051.15 and take your profit at 2054.94. For a sell, go at 2043.93 and take your profit at 2040.78. It's still very much valid here. Very much valid here. All right. For so what's happening to US 100? Those of you on that US 100, you should not be on negative. This instrument went well in profit. It even danced around the profit region before going back now. All right. So should in the next 8 minutes. So okay. So all right. You are my heart is breaking, Mr. McGregor. My heart is breaking. How could you allow this trade to end in negative? No, it should not. It should not. But no, voila. What's going to happen is this. It will go back in profit. You understand me? It will go back in profit. But for those waiting for new entries because of the news, okay, I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell trade. I'm going to ask you to go in for a sell trade on US 100. If price, let me adjust it a bit. How many pips is this? Let me see how many pips this is. Okay. Good. You took profit. Thank you. I wasn't expecting anybody to be on negative on US, US 100. But meanwhile, US 100, you might want to go in for a sell at 17,651. 17,651.18 and take your profit at 17,637. Take what at 17,637.56. So go in at 17,651.18, that's for a sell trade, and take your profit at 17,637.56. 17637.56. So for another buy trade now, just go at 17693. 17693.10. Another buy trade now. Another buy trade, 176, that is a buy stop now. 17693.10. 17693.10. For another buy trade on US 100, 17693.10. And then look at taking your profit. Look at taking your profit at around price level 17705.67. 17705.67. A very short peep, but use good volume. You make your good money from this trade. All right. Make your good money from this trade. Okay. That said, let me see other instruments. I'm waiting in the next 5 minutes. That news will come out. All right. That news will come out in the next 5 minutes. So let's just look at how we can just take advantage of it in the next 5 minutes. Okay. All right. So US 30. Now for your US 30, you might just want to also prepare. I want to prepare to go in for a buy at 38503. 38503, and take your profit. Take your profit at 385. 38542. 38542. 38542. Then for your sell trade, that initial buy, that buy entry can still go for your sell on US 30. That is 38441 as your entry. 38441 as your entry, and then your TP at 38420. 38420. 38420. So Euro USD again. Let me consider some other instruments. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. GBP USD. Please, hope you are following me. Look at this. Look at this GU. Now look at this GU now. This is a clear signal for a sell trade. But I know there is a news coming out. Okay, I will have told you to enter an instant sell. I will have told you to enter an instant sell. This is an inverted hammer forming at resistance 61.8 level. However, when you have a candlestick formation forming so close to the time of fundamental, be careful. You understand? You might want to please just one way or the other want to suspend your technical analysis a bit. You understand me? And respect fundamental. When fundamentals are coming out, always give respect to it. Otherwise, it will mess up your technical analysis. Do you understand? Okay, I could have told you to enter an instant sell. I could have told you to enter an instant sell, but fundamental analysis can mess up your technical analysis. You understand me? So it's a clear sell signal, but I don't want you to enter a sell now because 4 o'clock news is coming out. So be careful, right? Be careful. Now it is selling, agreeing to technicals. It is selling now. But in 3 minutes time, yes, it has triggered it and it is running. It's good. But there's a news coming out now. If it is in profit, okay, if it's in profit, you might want to go. If it's not in profit, just hold on to it. But this is a clear signal, a clear sell signal. But fundamental is coming out. Fundamentals can mess up technicals. So I tell people, align your technical analysis in the direction of fundamentals. Do you get now? Align your technical analysis in the direction of fundamentals. Do you get it now? So in 2 minutes time, news is going to come out. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen. All right. Meanwhile, how many of you are seeing negative? How many of you are seeing negative? How many? I take it. No, Mr. Batunde, I know you are negative already. But I just you are minus. Oh, I didn't even consider US. US that don't sell. Okay, 2000. US 2000, right? Okay. Wow. Wow, that US 2000 didn't go back as projected. So let's allow Mr. Peter, that your US 100. That should be this year. I'm not green for you on that US what's it called? 1 minute, please. All right, so let's just allow the news to come out in a minute's time, and then let's see the reaction. Okay. Meanwhile, if you add your buy on US 2000, you could see that it ran in profit. It ran in profit before what's it called? It ran in profit before it's reversing. So I don't know why people will be seeing it. Okay. So in a minute's time, let's see what's going to happen. So let's see it's going well. Okay, it is 4 o'clock. See, it is selling. It is selling. It is selling. Good one. It is selling, and I expect it to still go back to your entry. All right. Let's see what's happening to other instruments. Okay. US dollar is trying to gain strength. Euro USD has taken profit in sell. Look at the sell entry I gave you. Right? Look at the sell entry I gave you. All right. Look at it now. Look at it now. Look at it now. Euro USD. Let me see the which other one did I give you? Okay. Gold. Now look at gold. I think gold also took profit. Gold also took profit. Gold also took profit. Okay. US 100. US 100 also took profit. US 100 also took profit. Wow, wow, wow. This is beautiful. US 100 also took profit. It's also took profit. US 100 also took profit. That's beautiful. It took profit. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay. US 30. US 30 sell. The other sell I gave you as trigger, and it's running in profit already. It's going to US GPUSD took profit in sell. Good one. Good one. Okay. 2000 is back to your entry. US 2000 is back to your entry, that initial entry, and it's running in profit now. You should not close this in negative. It's running in profit now. All right. Gold, go to profit on sell. Go to profit on sell. Okay. USD card. USD card. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's a beautiful one. Dollar tried to push back. Okay. Dollar tried to push back. Euro USD sellers taking profit. Who is saying that buy is on negative? Which buy? Which buy on Euro USD? Which buy on Euro USD? This is the entry for USD 1.08631, right? Okay. So which buy on Euro USD? But generally, so generally, let me know who is still on negative on US 2000. Let me know who is still on negative on US 2000 because it went back to your entry. Mr. Ramson, you made money for the first time. you made money for the first time, Pastor Ransom on Euro USD. Oh, you are welcome. No, this thing is back. I've closed 2000 in profit. I told you it's back to your profit. In fact, it's even back to your entry now. And it's going to run in profit on that US 2000. It's back to your entry. You should close it. You understand? You should close it too. My US sell is in profit. That first buy is your fault. I will put it to you. That first buy is your fault on US 100 that you are in negative. I kept saying it, Mr. McGregor. Is a fault, you know. Okay. And if a position has closed you in profits, close the other one. Close the other one. Close the other one. Close the other one. Now, US 2000 is running back now in your direction in profit. Don't stay on it and close it in negative. Oh, all right. I believe that is taken. So I will man the blame on you. Pastor Bells, if gold sell has taken you profit, please close the buy. Close the buy. All right. US 500, okay. US 30 sell has taken profit again. US 30 sell has taken profit again. Okay. US 100 sell went in profit again. The other profit sell I gave you, it went in good profit. So close the buy. Don't stay on the buy, waiting for you to go back. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Solomon. You closed all in profit. Good one, Mr. Don Solomon. Good one. You closed all in profit. Okay. Gold buy is on negative. How come? Gold buy cannot be on negative. Cannot be on negative. The entry is 2051.15 and TP at okay. Okay, so you are your own, no, Mr. Adetayo. If you want to enter again. Okay. You sold badly. That's beautiful. 54K is a good one for your day. Well done, Mr. Don Solomon. Well done. Well done. USD JPY is on negative. USD JPY. Wow, USD went back up in profit well. Wow. It went back in buy direction well. Wow. So this is what's going to happen. By the time the impact of this news will wane, you may just want to follow the correction of the market. All right. So look at it now. Look at it technically speaking now. Okay. Let me just go technically now. Okay. Look at it. Look at where price. This is where price has got to all through today. This has been the verified resistance. Price is trying to eat at it. Let me go on 1 hour. Now this region is a 61.8 fib level where price has been struggling all day. So you might just want to be patient. You get as you see price struggle against this region and then trading back. So you don't need to panic, not to be in panic. Just allow price. The impact is going to win, and then you see that it's going to start coming down again. Since yesterday, USD has been trading bearish against the Japanese yen. You might just want to relax. Price will still retrace, and then you make your good money again on USD JPY on your sell trade. Okay. So now, for those of you who had your US 100 buy on negative, okay. Now, like I said, the same thing applies to impact of the news we win. You understand? And it's beginning to form. Let me see it on 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is a good time for it. That it's going to go back up in profit. This is a double bottom here that we can see here. So price is still going to go push back up. Price will push back up, but you just need to be patient towards your buy direction. Price will push back up, and you still make your profit on the buy direction, but you've got to be patient for the trade. I believe that is good. Okay, thank you, everybody. I think it's a good place for us to draw the curtain today. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I need to go and rest. Thank you. God bless you. Let's have a very wonderful day. Thank you.